In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view PDF without downloading in Google Chrome vertical bar. How to enable Chrome PDF Viewer. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. From that menu, select Settings. After you are in Settings, go to the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. Next, click Site Settings. Now scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings. Click on it to expand more options. Inside this section, select PDF Documents. Once you are in the PDF Documents section, look for the default behavior setting. Here you will need to choose Open PDFs in Chrome. On some versions of Chrome, you may instead see a toggle that says Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. If that is what you see, simply turn that toggle off. That change tells Chrome to use its built-in PDF viewer instead of downloading the file right away. After you make this change, Chrome should start opening PDF files directly in the browser whenever you click on them. If it does not work immediately, try refreshing the page with the PDF link or closing and reopening Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.